Put a bottle of water in the sink drain and you'll thank me. I'm sure everyone has already gone through this by using the sink and noticing the difficulty for the water to go away. This often happens because of food scraps that end up blocking the pipes. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Kosas Bowler, Kentucky. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This tip is perfect for those who have this problem, for being able to clean the pipes easily and without the need for a plumber. We can note that this sink, even without dishes for washing, already has a difficulty to remove all the water. To start, the first item we will use is a plastic bottle. The ideal is to fill completely with water. Only this amount of water used in the right way is enough to solve your problem. Do not worry about the amount of items used, only with this amount we can solve this problem without at least the need for a professional. It is very simple, and we can make this tip with simple products that we all have at home. The second item we use is salt. Only 3 tablespoons of salt is enough. Usually used for preparation of recipes and food, salt is also surprising when used in cleaning tips, being an indispensable item and responsible for making this tip effective. The way of use is simple. We just put directly into the drains that we have this problem with obstruction. Finally, the last item we will use is the detergent. We should just put it over the salt. The amount is up to you. Just enough to cover the salt we used previously is enough. Now only when using the water bottle, just pressing this way directly into the drain, with the salt and detergent and the pressure generated, we will be able to remove all food debris that make the pipes not work properly. I'm sure you will easily notice the difference before using this tip for now. Your problem solved easy, with little cost, products that we all have at home, and all this without the help of a professional. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.